Hi guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to make green masala chicken. It is very simple dish and can be made within minutes. You can enjoy it with pulao, chapati, rice, or even bread. Please give it a try and give feedback in the comment section. So let's begin how to make green masala chicken. For that, what I've taken 1 kg of chicken, which I've already cut and kept curry cut pieces. You can see this. Apply salt and keep it for at least half an hour, which I've already did. Then I need onion, which is two medium sized red onions sliced and kept. Tamarind, which is 20 grams. Ginger, thick inch. Garlic, 1 pod. And then I have peppercorns, black peppercorns, which is 20 each. Cloves, I have 6. Then cumin, 1 teaspoon. Cardamom, 4 each. Also need turmeric, which is half a teaspoon. Then I have cinnamon, which is 1 inch. And then I have green chilies, which I've added 4 green chilies. This will give a spice, a bit spiciness. Also, I need coriander, which is half a bunch. That gives you a green in color. And also vinegar, which is 1.5 tablespoon. And tomato, one medium size. So let's start with the cooking process now. Keep all the ingredients ready, and this will make it even more easier for you guys, like I have shown. And you can cook it in within minutes. So let's start. Now let's get the masala ready. I'm going to blend coriander together with vinegar, turmeric powder, cinnamon, and all the other ingredients except for onion and tomato. Now by adding water to this, sufficient water to make a fine paste. Now as my masala is getting ready, in meanwhile we'll start with the cooking process. Keep a vessel, add oil to this in order to saute the onion. Add onion and saute it till it becomes brown. Now one thing to keep in mind, as these chilies are very spicy of mine, that's why I did only 4. Now if you prefer more spicy, you can check the taste later on, and you can slit and put it in the curry. Now at this point, check the color of the onion, add tomatoes, and saute it for a while. Now at this point, add chicken and stir it, mix it well. Keep it on a medium flame only. Let it cook slowly. Guys, check this out. Masala. Now I'm going to add the masala to this. And by adding little water to the jar, now mix it well and keep it on low flame so it immerse the chicken. and let it cook on a slow range till the chicken is nicely done. The check is all started to simmer. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. It's optional, but it gives you a better taste. If you want, you can add it. Otherwise, you can do it without sugar also. Let's mix it. Cover it and let the chicken cook. I check this out. It's been simmering for at least 15 minutes. The chicken is already ready. At this stage, you need to check your seasoning. I've already tasted it. Follow each and every step, and you will get this right. Now, the chicken is ready. I'm going to turn off the flame. I check the color and the thickness. Lovely color. This is how green masala curry is made. You can try this recipe at home. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends and follow each and every step, and you will get this right. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all.